Unit 5.2. The effects of forces. The effects of forces. Give an example from your investigation with the ping-pong ball of each of the 5 effects of forces listed above. For each example, identify the force and the effect of the force. Make an object move, roll the ball along the table towards the book. Slow down a moving object, roll the ball along the table with a cloth on it to create friction. Stop a moving object, hold up a book on the table to stop the ball. Change the direction an object is moving in, flick the ball sideways to someone else in the group. Change the shape of an object, press down on the ball with your hand. Draw a force diagram to show the forces involved in rolling the ball across the tablecloth to the book. Label the forces. Draw a force diagram to show the forces involved in rolling the ball across the tablecloth to the book. Label the forces. What effect does force have when the table tennis player in the photograph hits the ball? Answer: the ball moves, changes direction and bounces off the table. Look at the pictures of children playing ball games. 1. In picture A, what will the boy do to the ball? Answer: he will catch the ball. B. How will this force affect the ball? Answer: it will stop the ball from moving. 2. In picture B, what will the boy do to the ball? Answer: he will kick the ball. B. How will this force affect the ball? Answer: the ball moves and changes direction. 3. In picture D, the girl is watching the ball carefully. What will she do to the ball when it reaches her? Answer: she will kick the ball. B. How will this force affect the ball? Answer: the ball moves and changes direction. In picture C, the boys have set up a snooker game in the street. The aim of this game is to hit different colored balls so that they hit other balls and make them go down the pockets along the sides of the board. What forces are working on the balls when they are at rest? Answer: gravity and normal forces. B. When the boys play the game, list the effects the forces have on the balls. Answer: the balls move, change direction when they hit each other or the sides of the table and stop when they drop into the pockets. Thank you.